View templates can save you a lot of time by applying a set of predefined settings to views in your Revit project. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a view template in Revit step by step. To create a template, choose or create a new view and set up desirable visibility and graphic setting, such as view range, visibility, and graphic overrides. When your view is ready, open the View Template dialog box. Go to the View tab and click on the View Templates button. Create a new view template by clicking on the Create Template using the Current View button. Name your view template in the Name field. Choose a name that is easy to remember and descriptive of the settings you're going to apply. You can select settings. Choose the settings that you would like to apply to your views by selecting the appropriate checkboxes in the Include tab. You can customize settings further by clicking on the Edit button next to each setting. Click OK. Now you can assign the view template to your views by selecting the view and clicking on the View Template button in the Properties tab, and choose the view template you created from the list of available view templates for assign. You are also able to assign the view template to multiple views at once, selecting the views you want and assigning View Template from the Properties tab. If you want View Template to be applied automatically to every newly created view, click Edit Type in the View Properties tab and choose Desired Template, which will be applied to the new view. In order to make the view template be assigned, click New View or Depended on Template checkmark. Finally, if you want to make changes to a view that has a view template applied without affecting the view template, use Temporary View Properties button. In this case, you can easily switch between view templates. Turn off the temporary view properties when no longer needed, and the visibility and graphic settings from the assigned template are restored. If the temporary view properties mode is selected again, the most recently used templates are listed for quick selection. That's it. Subscribe to the channel to keep learning new things with New Vision. Have a good day.